Welcome to this video. Today, I'll walk you through how to build a fully automated integration between QuickBooks Online and Stripe using the Cyclr embedded iPaaS platform. This integration covers the entire invoicing to cash flow, from invoice creation in QuickBooks to payment confirmation in Stripe, and the final update of records in QuickBooks, all without writing a single line of code. Let's begin with the first part of automatically generating a Stripe payment link when a new invoice is created in QuickBooks. The workflow is initiated by a webhook that monitors QuickBooks for new invoice events. When an invoice is created, it automatically captures the record's ID and type to begin processing. As the webhook is configured to notify us of all events from QuickBooks, we'll begin by adding a decision step to check whether the event corresponds to the creation of a new invoice. If it does, the workflow will proceed to retrieve the invoice and associated customer details directly from QuickBooks. Once that data is collected, Cyclr checks Stripe to see if the customer already exists, matching based on their email address. If a match is found, the workflow continues by creating a new Stripe invoice, adding any required line items and finalizing it, just like you would manually in the Stripe dashboard. After finalizing the invoice, we call the Stripe API to get the generated payment link. That payment link is then pushed back to QuickBooks, updating the original invoice with the link directly. Let's move on to the second part of the process, which ensures your systems stay in sync after a payment is made. This second workflow is triggered when Stripe confirms that a payment has been successfully completed. Cyclr's listener picks up the payment event and retrieves the associated invoice details from Stripe. It then checks if the invoice ID exists in QuickBooks. If it does, Cyclr creates a new payment record in QuickBooks and links it to the correct invoice using the stored identifiers. This seamless sync ensures that your records in QuickBooks reflect the real-time payment status in Stripe, reducing manual reconciliation and eliminating the need to toggle between platforms. Looks great! If you'd like to create a similar invoice-to-cash workflow, our ready-to-use QuickBooks and Stripe connectors, combined with our low-code workflow platform, make it easy. In the next episode, we'll walk you through connector installation, webhook setup, and the full workflow design and execution. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next walkthrough.